Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have my live swatch video on these new MoonShine Mani nail polishes. Phoebe from MoonShine Mani sent me another of her new collections that are releasing on June 12th, and today I have the Summer Camp BFF collection and a Project Dupe It nail polish. This one is for Essie's Starry Night, and I was so happy that she finally released this polish because I was really hoping and awaiting this one, and it was also one of my personal suggestions. So thank you so much, Phoebe, for listening to us and for releasing finally one of a very hardly available nail polishes on the market. In today's video I will show you live swatches of all of these 4 polishes on my nails, and I will of course leave you everything that you need to know in the description box, so please make sure that you check it out. But if you do have any questions on any of these polishes, feel free to leave your questions in the comment section. If you do enjoy live swatch videos, then please give me a thumbs up. And of course, if you don't want to miss out on any of my future live swatch videos, and I have a few coming, just a spoiler, then also please hit the subscribe button before you leave. I love all of these polishes. Even the neons are really easy, opaque on 2 to 3 coats depending on your application, but of course my favorite this time is a Starry Night Was Born, and as I said, this is from the Project Dupe It collection, and the polish is for Essie's Starry Night. So thank you guys so much for being here today. Continue watching my live swatches, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.